Hi everyone, I'm Jack, an instructor here at DiscoverE. Today we're going to be talking about 3D printers. So 3D printers are really cool machines that can take plastic that usually comes in a roll and turn it into any sort of object you want. That can be designed on your computer or you can download them online. Let's go look at the 3D printers we have here. So the type of 3D printer we have here at DiscoverE is called a Dremel. A Dremel 3D45 to be exact. And what we just saw was the printer as it was preheating. Now the build plate, that blue object that's raising up right now, heats up, and so does the print head, which I'll get a little bit closer to. It's the black one that was just moving around. The print head heats up to melt the roll of plastic that we feed into the machine over the filament, and the build plate is warm to make sure the filament is sticking to it. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed looking at our 3D printer. If you're interested in learning more about 3D printers, you can find a lot online. You'll also be able to find places where you can access 3D printers. You might be able to access one at your school when it returns in the fall.